So we got these birds that keep going trash on the door, and it's really annoying.
Oh my goodness. I hate these frickin' birds. It's one bird. It's one fat bird. Crapping in my truck. Here we're supposed to be working. And I gotta cover my mirror because some angry bird keeps setting up here. Look, you can see, come here. He comes up here. I wash this all the time. He sits right there, looks at himself. He thinks he's invading the other bird's territory, and he's like, "Ugh, get out of here." I don't know why I'm so mad about the bird this morning. Let's get to work.
Yeah.
Oh.
Damage.
Hey! What are you doing?
Why are you yelling at me?
I don't know.
I don't. Okay. I'm putting this video out because I don't know. How do you stop a bird? Now, normally that truck is parked inside, but since his Jeep's inside of our garage and we're doing some stuff to it, I can't get my truck back in there, but how do you stop it? You have any ideas? We had this one other time. Now that bird like dominated. It took over all the mirrors. This one pretty much is that mirror. It's on the back of my Jeep too. It occasionally go over there. But mainly, almost, just occasionally. Almost 100% of the time it's on the passenger side. And I've watched it. It's an angry bird. Literally, it's an angry bird. What? I've watched when I've been staining, doing different stuff in the garage.
Probably wants to catapult off that window.
What's that?
But probably with it going to the bathroom on the window, it probably wants to catapult off of it.
Yeah, and you can tell different birds if they're happy, but this looks like an angry bird. Oh, either way, this is getting long.
Yeah. All right.
A few days. Remember that GMC? Yeah, they were ripping it up on the GMC. But yeah, this one, I've tried tipping the mirrors in, and it's pretty evident that that's what they're going after. It's not them, it's one bird. It's one fat bird, because, and I'm fat, so I can tell, I can identify that bird's fat. Man, angry. It's an angry bird too. I mean, when he flies in there, he just literally body slams into the vehicle. Wham! And then he perches. I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a guy working ahead of us. Turn around. What do you think he's doing?
Concrete.
He's got a wheelbarrow, plastic tub. Maybe a handyman? Maybe not. I don't know. Going to make some money. So, going to make a little bit of money.
Alright, so we'll bring him in on the job, right?
Yeah. So I mentioned about the Jeep, and I figured, look at that. I can barely keep those cleaned off. I mean, if I clean them in the morning, I come back, they're all there. And it's the same bird I'm seeing over and over and over. Back of the truck. So I wanted to put my camera on a tripod and catch this bird out here. But I figured if I did, he'd perch himself on top of the camera and do his business. So didn't figure it was worth it. So almost had him this morning. Almost had him in the camera. He's a fast one though.